Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some essential tips to help you grow and manage your YouTube channel more effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these insights are for you. Let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about the ratio problem. This is a common issue many creators face. It's important to maintain a healthy balance between the number of videos uploaded and the engagement they receive. If you notice a drop in likes, comments, or views, it might be time to reassess your content strategy. Consistency is key, but quality should never be compromised. Now, onto a topic that can be a bit tricky: deleting videos. Sometimes, a video might not perform as well as expected, or perhaps it no longer aligns with your channel's direction. Before you hit that delete button, consider if the content can be repurposed or improved. Deleting videos can affect your channel's overall performance, so think carefully before making a decision. Finally, let's address the issue of wrong titles and descriptions. Accurate titles and descriptions are crucial for your video's discoverability. If you realize a mistake has been made, don't hesitate to correct it. A misleading title or description can frustrate viewers and harm your channel's credibility. Always aim for clarity and relevance in your metadata to ensure your audience knows exactly what to expect. So here's the thing, one major issue we often come across is the lack of category consistency. It's like, when you're browsing through a library and suddenly the books are all mixed up. You expect to find a mystery novel in the mystery section, but instead, it's sitting right next to a cookbook. This inconsistency can be really confusing for users and can lead to frustration. Keeping categories well organized and consistent is crucial for a smooth user experience. So, you've just uploaded your video. Now what? Watching your own videos can help boost initial engagement. It may seem a bit odd, but every view counts. And don't be shy about asking friends and family to subscribe. Their support can give your channel that extra push it needs. Alright, let's talk about a common issue: zero views. It can be discouraging, but don't lose heart. First, double-check your video's title, description, and tags. Are they optimized for search? Next, share your video across social media and online communities. Sometimes all it takes is a little extra promotion. Now, onto the mysterious YouTube algorithm. It's designed to keep viewers on the platform, so your content needs to be engaging from the get-go. Focus on creating high-quality thumbnails and compelling titles. And remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you upload, the more likely the algorithm will favor your content. So there you have it. We've covered some essential strategies to help grow your YouTube channel. Remember, persistence and patience are crucial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. And as always, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.